Hello childrens, welcome to my channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see the set 1.2. Here the questions are given as compare the following numbers. All are mostly unlike fractions, so we have to compare the numbers. We have to find which is the greater and which is the smaller number. So let's solve each and every sum to clear the concept. First question is given as -7 and -2. Whenever the questions both are negative, the smaller number, which is the smaller number in this, -2. So this side will be greater. So you have to open the mouth of the sign to -2. Understanding children? We'll see the second question, 0 and -9 upon 5. So always negative numbers are smaller. So 0 will be greater number in this. Third question is 8 upon 7 and 0. In the second sum it was negative number. The third sum, this is positive. So the positive number will be greater. So we will open the mouth at 8 upon 7 fraction. Understanding children? We'll see the fourth question. -5 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Comparing for negative and positive. So this is a negative number and this is a positive number. Comparing both the fractions. So the positive number will be always greater. So we will open the sign at 1 upon 4. Understanding children? We will see the fifth question. 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. Now here the denominators, that is 29 and 29, both are same. So comparing 40 and 141, which number is greater? 141. So we will open the sign at 141. Understanding children? Next number is -17 upon 20 and -13 upon 20. So here also denominators are same, and the numerators have negative sign. So the smaller number will be greater. For both negative numbers, the smaller number will be greater. So the -13 will be the greater number. I hope you are understanding the concept, students. Let's see the seventh question. 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Now here nor the numerators are same nor the denominators. So let's see how to do this. We will give a quick assumption of cross multiplication. That means 16 has to be multiplied this side for both the numbers. And for 7 upon 16, we will be multiplying with 12. Understanding children? This method is called cross multiplication. Now no need to multiply. We can give a quick assumption. Like if you multiply 15 by 16, it will be a greater number compared to multiplying 7 by 12. Understanding children? So 15 by 16 will be the greater answer you will be getting. So this side fraction will be the greater one. Understanding children? This way you can quickly solve the sums. We'll see the 8th sum. -25 upon 8 and -9 upon 4. Here also denominators are not same nor the numerators. So here 4 can be made 8. How it can be made 8? By multiplying by 2. So in the numerator also we will multiply by 2. Now we will give a quick assumption. -25, and if you multiply 9 by 2, you will get the answer as -18. Understanding children? So comparing -25 upon 8, and here the question is -9 upon 4. So comparing -25 and -8, which side will be the greater? Always the smaller number will be greater for minus signs. So this side will be the greater answer. I hope you are understanding the concept, student. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends and also like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further such videos. We'll see the 9th question. 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. Here also we can do a quick revision. We will multiply 5 to make 15 by 3. Understanding? So 5 will become 5 threes will automatically become 15, and 3 threes will give you the answer as 9. So here you are getting 9 upon 15, and here question is 12 upon 15. So which side will be greater? 12 upon 15 comparing to 3 upon 5. Here you are getting 9 upon 15. So this is smaller. So 12 upon 15 will be the greater number. We'll see the last question in this problem set. Minus 7 upon 11 and minus 3 upon 4. Here no combination tables are there. So we will just cross multiply. Like this will become, we'll multiply this side by 11 and this side by 4. Understanding, children? Same way, numerator by 4 and here numerator by 11. So this will give you the answer as 7 4s are 28 and 11 4s are 44. Here it will give you the answer as 33 and 11 4s are 44. Comparing negative numbers, both are negative. So the smaller number will be greater. So this side will be greater. So as per the question, minus 7 upon 11 will be the greater side compared to minus 3 upon 4. Understanding, children? Hope you have understood all the sums in this problem set. If you want to have more such videos, do write me in the comment box. Thank you, students.